Once, my computer kept sneezing, figuratively, of course. It had a virus slowing everything down. Frustrated, I discovered a Life Pro tip: regularly update antivirus software. This simple habit became my digital shield. After implementing it, my computer ran smoothly and I felt more secure online. This experience taught me the importance of proactive maintenance, not just for computers, but in life. By staying ahead of potential problems, we can enjoy peace of mind and efficiency. So, keep your systems updated and your life organized. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.